up with a bright smile on now. Me in the dark.
Got it, you need that, I got it. There's cash, on pockets, there's cash, 100. You need that, I got it, need it, got it. Cash, pockets, bands, on me, sticks, on me. You need that.
What you wanna do, baby? Where you wanna go? I'll take you to the moon, baby. I'll take you to the floor. I treat you like a real lady, no matter where you go. Just give me some time, baby. Cause you know, even when we're apart, I know my heart is still there with you. 5 more hours till the night is ours, and I'll be back with you. This right here is my type of party. 5 more hours, we're just getting started. This right here is my type of party. 5 more hours, we're just getting started.
5 more hours, we're just getting started.
You have my heart, we'll never be worlds apart. Maybe in magazines, but you'll still be my star, baby. Cause in the dark, you can't see shiny cars, and that's when you need me there. With you I'll always share, because when the sun shines, we shine together. Told you I'll be here forever, said I'll always be your friend. Took an oath that I'm stick it out till the end. Now that it's raining more than ever, know that we still have each other. You can stand under my umbrella, you can stand under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, eh, 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 under my umbrella. Ella, Ella, eh, 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 under my umbrella.
Living on that beat, nope.
I don't really care if you cry. I don't really should've never lied. Should've saw the way she looked me in my eyes. She said, baby, I am not afraid to die. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge, all my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. Push me to the edge. All my friends are dead. I am not afraid to.
In the description box below as well. I have them in brown also, but I'm currently sold out until next week, so you can order them. They come in sizes 6 to 10. Size 6 to 10. They do run a little bit small. I don't carry half sizes, I just carry whole sizes. So if you're 8.5, get a 9. If you're 9.5, get a 10. I wear a 6, and the 6 fits me perfectly like a glove. There's no backing to them. They're literally just slippers. They're so cute, they're so comfortable. I love them. They do have hard sole bottoms, so you can wear them indoors or outdoors.
really still the real me. I swear you gotta feel me before they try and kill me. They gotta make some choices, they running out of options. Cause I've been going off and they don't know when to stop. And then when you get the top and I see that you've been learning. And when I take you shopping, you spend it like you earned it. And when you popped off on your ex, he deserved it. I thought you would've won from the jump, that confirmed it. Trap money, baby. She got me in my
life of a lash tech. I don't have anything else to say except for I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the glam fam. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. I will see you in my next video.